stop scrolling. This is for you. Have you ever noticed how silence can feel heavier than noise? Not the kind of pain that breaks you loudly, but the kind that sits quietly in your chest while life continues around you. You wake up, you function, you smile when needed. But inside, something feels off, something unspoken. And if you are watching this right now, don't ignore this moment. Maybe it didn't reach you by chance. Maybe it reached you because you needed to pause here and feel seen again. Not by people, but by the one who never lost sight of you. There are struggles no one claps for. No one sees the nights you stayed awake, overthinking everything. No one hears the conversations you have inside your own mind. You try to stay composed in front of the world, but some days, even breathing feels like effort. Yet you continue, quietly, relentlessly. And what you don't realize is this: even your most silent tears were never unseen. Even your most private pain was never ignored, because nothing about you ever left the attention of Allah. And in the Holy Quran, Allah gives a promise that feels like a breath returning to a tired heart. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. This is not a distant promise. It is a reality embedded inside your current moment. Ease is not waiting at the finish line only. It is already woven into what you are going through. You just cannot see it fully yet. But Allah is not asking you to see it. He is asking you to trust Him while it unfolds. Maybe something didn't work out. Maybe someone left. Maybe something ended before you were ready. And your heart still asks why. But not every ending is a punishment, and not every delay is rejection. Sometimes Allah removes what you wanted to protect you from what you couldn't understand yet. And later, when clarity arrives, you won't just see what you lost. You will see what was saved for you. You don't have to solve everything tonight. You don't have to carry every thought at once. Just slow down for a moment and return your heart to where it finds rest. Because the one who created your heart knows exactly how to hold it together. And even now, you are not outside His care. Not for a single second. If this reached you at the right time, don't keep it only for yourself. Someone else might be waiting for the same reminder. May Allah ease what feels heavy for you and replace your confusion with a peace you didn't expect. Ameen. Let me know in the comments, did this reach you at the right time?